The last sports bike I rode in India on track was at least 8 to 9 times larger than what I'm riding today. And that motorcycle would be the spectacular... I can't tell you what it is, you have to watch for Game of Performance on PowerDrift coming soon. But the motorcycle we're riding today is India's smallest sports bike. Ladies and gentlemen, say hello to the new KTM RC 125.
It's not hard to see what it is, right? That's the RC 200 frame wearing the engine from the KTM 125 Duke, which means just over 160 kilo curb weight, the same as the RC 200, and it makes 12 Newton meters and 14.5 PS, the same as Ray's dream bike. But all that is wrapped up in a familiar shape, but just look at it. This orange scheme and the new sticker design makes the RC 125 the best looking of the RCs in my book. But let's ride it, shall we? The RC 125's least powerful asset is its engine. It is a learner sports bike globally after all. But while the 125 Duke can feel slow, the RC, strangely enough, feels alright. Performance is adequate, and on my fastest laps I managed to see 120 km an hour on the speedo. But just over 100 is what you'll see relatively easily. The fairing makes it sound quieter and more refined, and this feels easy to ride, so beginners will like it. But it's the frame that does all the singing and all the dancing, because it's absolutely rock solid. The MRF tires grip and grip and grip, the handling is direct, stable and friendly, and you can really go very quickly around a corner once you put your mind to it. The Bajaj Track's design doesn't really need you to brake heavily anywhere, and in that environment, the RC 125 is a friendly, fast little sports bike. The kids should love it.
Do kids today eat more than we used to when we were kids? I don't know, I do have a weight advantage over everybody I rode with today, and that allowed me to go into the fastest corner at the Bajaj Track, maybe 6-8 kmph faster than them. I'm not gloating. Okay, maybe a little. But the point I'm making is you can keep pushing this motorcycle into the corner as hard as you like. The engine does what it can, but the motorcycle just gives you back feel and confidence. And that's what I would like a motorcycle for a youngster to do. That one nails that aspect of it.
KTM India says the response to the 125 Duke, especially from certain specific geographies, suggests that the RC 125 will be popular, perhaps not everywhere. A powerful 125cc engine in a sports bike format can sound odd. But I can now tell you that the RC 125 packs in quite a bit of ability and comes off as a rather more enjoyable new rider's bike than the KTM 125 Duke.
Oh, I do like that. I wish we had bikes like that when I was learning to ride and getting my license. Because the chassis from the 200 and an engine from the 125 Duke means this has so much handling that something like this at the beginning of your career will mean you'll be a cornering god by the time you get to my age, and that would be incredible. As much as I like it though, there is a problem. With its upside down forks and everything, the RC 125 is 7,000 rupees more than the Yamaha R15 version 3. That's the bike with the bigger engine as well as more power, and it might actually be the better value for money deal. But what's better on the road and on the track, the RC 125 or the R15? Story idea!